away from more. Let's go, guys. Okay, cool, guys. Let's go to the toilet. Walk in front. I'm doing
the vlog.
Yes,
So
I'm
guys,
camera woman.
It's New Year's Revolution. We're gonna do a vlog what we've done in a week. So this starts from Monday.
This is Monday vlog. This means we have to hang out every day.
And this is my car.
There's a guy in there.
I'm joking, it's not.
This is the Batmobile, bro.
Guys.
Crazy life. Fit check.
Vlogging right
Okay, cool.
now. Where you go? Anyways.
Sorry, I was doing fit check. So let's look at the trains. I like how Look at this Manchester.
This is actually my first time being at York train station.
Really?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, there's a big police van over
I don't
there.
remember being on the train. I'm really happy.
That's really cool. We're gonna have to blur all these fuck ass people's faces out.
I know, so we don't get copyright. Because I need my money. I'm joking. I don't know how to get
It's really pretty. That's pretty cool.
I know, bro.
Pretty cool.
Can I hold the phone for a little bit?
Right there. Well, I'm camera woman.
Yeah, but I like it being near my face sometimes.
Yeah, you can do it in a minute.
Not from back camera.
Let's go find the toilets. Nobody fall in the railing. I was lifted.
Leeds, Wakefield Westgate, Sheffield.
Where? Oh yeah. Pretty cute. It's really pretty. Let's go on the bridge soon.
Train.
If anybody has 10p, we can get a cup of water to share. You have 10p?
I'm all the temper, yeah. Walking, 7 a.m. in the
Morning, she's calling, I'm yawning, she's calling.
She's balling, guys.
I might link my team from walking. 7 a.m. in the morning, she's calling, I'm yawning.
Hey, why am I standing with a bunch of dead things? I'm joking. I look at myself, I'm a dead thing.
Train. How is there a Burger King here?
Alright guys, should we take a toilet break?
Yeah. Alright,
Put the camera.
we're not doing recording here. Chat. It's very pretty here.
The train at platform 1 is
Well, where's Starbucks? Was it over there? Yeah. We need to find Starbucks first though, right? Or should we go on the bridge first and then...
Right there.
Oh. My bad. Is it open?
Use common sense.
Is it open? Yeah. Thank you. It's supposed to push to open the door, bro.
Oh, hold on.
I don't like the way it smells in here. It smells like coffee. Oh, it does look delicious.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know how much is a cup of water?
You got a bottle there, don't you just fill that?
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
get the lid off.
Yeah.
Just put it in there. Okay.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Such a nice woman.
Sometimes people charge. Thank you very much.
I'm getting a straw to drink with it. It's very cool here. Look,
Very nice.
sugar.
Cost you on good.
I'm not gonna take it, it's free. Let's sit at the stools. Guys? I'm chilling here. That is true. We need something to rest us against. Oh, never mind.
Perfect. We haven't let
Vlogging.
I know.
I
know
know
about our New Year's resolution.
I know. Elena's. Look, they have the famous wolf backup.
I know. Elena's reminisce.
That's a backup. Do your hokey cokey and turn yourself around.
Why does it say 26 minutes there?
That's the max that you can record for.
Oh.
Turn some water.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, look, it's green.
Not bad music. I was expecting some soda pop.
I think this is some sort of Stray Kids BTS thing. You take my sugar.
Yeah, sorry. I was gonna tip it out and it's not it. Don't do that, guys.
My sugar is very dear to me. Dearer than I? No, not dearer than you.
You should've.
Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Hello.
Let me chair. That's a squeaky chair. Very squeaky.
Does that look good?
Indeed. Yeah. You'll have to hunch your back a bit and be a hunchback to see the camera, but that's okay. Anyone wants water, we fill.
I think I might actually get diabetes probably from this. I can't help myself. Do you still have sugar in your purse in my head?
Wait, how much are those biscuits?
£2.55.
£2.55. Yeah. You can never get anything for free.
Are they shortbread? Or would you like some sugar on it?
Do you think it costs extra in the train station?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it, doesn't it?
The people are nicer here though.
Probably. We're doing stuff to look forward to our new arrivals. Can you pause it? How do you record something like that?
I don't know.
Stop, Karen.
Thank you. Look at the clock.
Big Ben. And then we're recording pretty much everything today, so keep locked in, guys. This is quite cool. Down there. Well, let's go. Too bad there's no train arriving. Spaz attack. Anyways, come on, guys. We got Elena with us, and then we are just couple is. Yeah, well, let's get a little train ride. Skeggy, weggy buttons. Skeggy buttons. Skeggy buttons. The ooze. The ooey goozy Little Uzi.
Do we get down from here?
Let's hit someone with an Uzi. But next time if I'm with my mum and dad, not my mum and dad, my dad and my stepmom, if I tell them, oh, I went to the train station all with my friends, and they'll be like, oh, we can just get the train to see us then.
You've been going alone.
I wouldn't go alone, buddy. Because clearly, life doesn't work like that anymore. Yeah. I would never go. I don't know. I barely can handle going on a bus alone, guys. Let alone that.
Yeah.
Look at all these people.
There's like
They
billions
don't-
and millions of people here.
Yeah. Cajillions, badillions, bazingas.
Bazinga!
Shit.
No, bro, I'm like
Look at your nose. Really? For nothing, Elena? Let's engine. Pose with it. Oh.
Stay safe with Thomas.
Oh. Are you Thomas? Because I'll tank your engine. Oh.
Do you want to see my money?
Yeah, mush. I got bills.
I'm gonna let the parts out.
Homer let the parts out. Homer let the parts out. Dog. Where the right? They were leaving without me.
I'm gonna fucking push you for the fucking train.
Shut up,
Fucking
bitch.
push you.
Ginger slut. Anyways.
I'm gonna say that you didn't want to be in this world anymore, so you told me goodbye, and then you're gonna fucking die.
I'll
guess what?
snap your fucking
The
spine
trains
before
don't-
you get the chance, bitch.
The trains don't run after those bones or anything on
Shut
the
up, you
railway,
cunt.
so the whole world will know that you killed yourself.
Provoked her. I call this National Jabba Ginger in the Tit Day.
Hey, Skeggy Buttons, let's go.
Skeggy. Skeggy Butlins. Skeggy. Skeggy Butlins. Skeggy. Skegnash. Hey, I low-key think I know where we are. Low-key.
Guess what? I'm gonna let the parts out.
My hair looks so flat.
I kind of want to go home
Low-key.
because I want to sing and do dancing and that dance. Skeggy Butlins. Skeggy Butlins.
The Skegners. Hey, Skegners.
Skegners. Yeah.
Hey, Skegness. Hotness? Skegness. Is this what we call the mandem, mush? The mandem. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, my blicky. Oh, nobody can see my blicky on camera.
Ooh, Skeggy Butlins. Skeggy Butlins.
That's Neil.
Eat it, Mom.
Because the stick man is telling us to fucking cross. The stick man, the Henry the Stick Man right now. What even is an 84-3 coastliner?
Leeds.
Scarborough.
Leeds.
Leeds. Oh. It keeps going from coastline to Leeds.
There's a coastline of bus that goes to Leeds.
Ooh.
Guys,
Yeah?
I'm gonna go home.
Loki said.
I'm bleeding on my lip.
A little dollop. Aww. Let me kiss you better. Oh, sorry.
I'm reading my Thomas the Tank Engine.
Guys.
I agree.
Oh, she agrees to the railings.
You know what, guys? I think we should go home now. Yeah. We should go home.
Oh, so you guys can get away from me.
Stuck myself in the face.
Yeah, sure, why not? Led them me. And she, as the bus started moving, she went to the side.
No, I'm a creepy guy.
The bike
POV,
ride.
you got a creepy guys.
Show me. You trying to look at my boner? Vlog.
Right, darling.
Hi, daddy.
No, I'm a creepy guy. I'm one of those guys.
There's a wasp. A wasp, where? Waspy. Hey, waspy, waspy. You're that afraid of the waspies, guys. The waspies. Me, I don't mind things with big stingers. Sting me nice and hard. Oh. Actually, to be fair, this buzz do be moving. Okay, I'm fine with that social distancing away from you. Me no care. Me no care. I do whatever I want. Whoa. Look. Wow. We're traveling that far, guys. Look.